welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing fine, safe, secure at your place. So in today's video, I'm going to share how to do body bleaching. And if you're a person, if you're a hairy person like me, like I do have a hair, like I just can't tell you. So this is what I'll be using. My camera. Have you guys followed me on Instagram and Facebook? No? Then go and follow me. Fusion Meghna Fashion. FUSHIN Girl, follow me. Let's be friends. So, I will be doing bleaching. Like, I don't use bleach for my face because I have a very sensitive skin, and I don't prefer doing bleach to my face because I love my skin, I love my face. So, and I won't suggest you all to go for a face bleaching, and I'll tell you the reason for that. That is for sure. But in this video, I just wanted to keep it very short, and yeah, let's talk about this. So this will that yeah, this is by Diamond Bleach. This is a Diamond Bleach cream, and there are two types of bleaches that we have in our market. Number one is this one, the cream bleach, and second is the gel one. So because of body, because I'll be using this to my body, so I bought this cream, cream bleach. Okay, so yeah, so let's talk about this because I do have a whitish skin tone, so I don't go for golden, golden bleach. So this is the diamond one, and this is this is for 1,000 gram. This is for 1,000 grams, and this is the cream, and this is the activated activated powder that we call, yeah, activator, sorry, we call it activator. So let's see how does it works, and this works really well for me, so I'll show you. Let's get into the video. So here I'll be taking this bleach cream. Okay, um, wait, I'll show you with the name as well. Okay, and this is the activated powder. Yeah, this is the activated powder. So first I'll be adding this pinch of powder. Now I'll be taking as a this much of it dissolves with the powder. I'll keep mixing it because this should there shouldn't be any particle into this. You have to mix it really very well, guys. And see, I have just look at my finger. I have just take out the powder from the spoon, and see, look at the condition of my finger. So would suggest you to take precautions because bleaching might cause you some harm. Because, and before applying this, do a patch try to your skin, because I don't want, if bleach is something that doesn't suit all of us. As you can see, like, the color has been changed. See, and mix it well. So guys, I repeat, do a patch try like here, or you can do a patch try here, because bleach is something which that doesn't suit to all skin types, which I remember my mother never, she never does that, because I know, like, she had a problem with this, and I don't know. Though even it doesn't suits my face as well, but I use, I'm using this to my hands, to my neck, because I went out today and I got a very bad tan. You can look at me, right? Like, I got really a very bad tan because I do have a problem. I have a very sensitive skin, and that really goes with me. So here I'll so let's start applying. You can use brush as well, but I'll be using my fingers. You can use brush, but I will not use this. I prefer finger because that's the easiest and quickest way to do. Now I'll be applying to my foot as well. You can see the hair is intent, so I'll be applying a bunch of, you know, the thick layer of bleach here, because here I have been here. Now I'll be applying to my knees as well. So now you guys can see that this has been dried, and you have to keep it for 10 to 15 minutes, not more than that. So as you can see that I have applied to all over my hand, but I'll start removing from my neck. Take a wet hanky or wet cloth and start wiping it off. Guys, can you see the difference? Though I can, because I know what tan means to me, and yes. So I'll just wipe it off. So guys, this was my bleaching method for my all over my body. As you can see the difference. I don't know you guys can see that or not, but I can feel that this is what I do, the instant whitening for my skin, for my body. So I don't know, like, though I'm loving this, trust me. And after doing bleach, make sure that you apply moisturizer. So here I'm applying this Vaseline Intensive Care Cocoa Glow with pure cocoa and shea butter, because I believe that it's a very moisturizing lotion, and because I have bleached my skin, so I'll be needing more moisturizer to keep my skin hydrated. Don't apply to forget parts that you have. So if you guys enjoyed watching this video and you found this video little bit helpful, then you know what you have to do is like, share and comment, and do suggest me the topics that you wanted to that you wanted me to share with you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, love you all.